Hello everyone, today we'll be seeing how to reset your Shark robot vacuum without app. So for that, manual method. In this, ensure the robot is off the charging base. Simultaneously press and hold the dock and clean button for approximately 10 seconds. Release the button when the robot light flash on it and emit a beep indicating the successful reset. Place the robot back on the charging dock to power it on. Method 2 is power cycle reset, soft reset you can say. Turn off your Shark robot vacuum using the power button. Unplug the charging dock from the power source. Wait for 10 seconds. Plug the charging dock back into and turn the robot vacuum on. Thanks. Hope you like the information. Thanks for